same topic, and that was brotherhood. I asked my family on ideas on what to write and how to make the audience laugh, but was told to speak from the heart, because you can never go wrong with what comes from the heart. So here I go. The class of 2011 displayed camaraderie during our time at Navy, whether it was a handshake in the hallways or a what's up from the classroom. Our class has no punks or bullies. All we have are each other. When one person was messed with, the class had his back. We have pride for our class, and we always stood by each other, man to man, brother with brother. The class of 2011 is a class of unity, and no one can take that away from us. Our class is well-rounded, and we were able to balance school and activities. In our graduating class, we have Damien's first ever National Merit Scholar, as well as athletic stars in our football, basketball, wrestling, and pageant teams. We have academic scholars excelling in sports matches, as well as athletes scoring high in honors classes. This graduating class received $3.4 million in scholarship money, the most in 5 years. Another example of how bright the future is for each and every graduate here. With all the blessings and hard work we've accomplished, we couldn't have done it without the loving support team around us. On behalf of the class of 2011, we would like to thank the following. First and foremost, God for His countless blessings, for without Him we wouldn't be where we are today. I would also like to thank our parents and guardians who have supported us continuously throughout the years. A very big special thank you to my parents, Renato and Carmen Dona, who tirelessly give their love, support, encouragement, blood, sweat, and tears so I could attend Damien Memorial School. No words could express my gratitude. Thank you, Mom and Dad. A big mahalo to all our support team who made the sacrifices so we can proudly stand here and accept our history diploma. You all have shown us that you value the importance of education. To the faculty and staff of Damien, thank you for instilling in us the knowledge that will further us in college. The invaluable characters of discipline, responsibility, and accountability that help build true men standing before you today. Bill Cosby once said, in order to succeed, your desire for success should be greater than your fear of failure. We must want success in order for it to happen. Everyone fails, but it is from these failures and mistakes that we learn what success is. Success is not a destination, but a journey. Kobe Bryant is considered to be one of the best players in the NBA. And if people are given a choice of who they would want to take the last shot for their team, they would choose him. If it was 5 seconds to go and only enough time for one shot, Kobe is your man. He is the clutch player. However, it was never always that way. He missed game winners before he made them. In the 1999 playoffs against the Spurs in Game 2, Kobe attempted a three-pointer to tie the game, but he missed it. It was heartbreaking. The Lakers went on to lose the series, but instead of being down and out, he worked hard and got better. The very next year, he won an NBA championship. The Lakers went on to win 3 NBA championships in a row. You must want success, even if it means missing the game-winning shot, just like Kobe, or if it means knowing you may fail, and facing that same fear head-on. You must be fearless when there is adversity. Success will not come to us on a silver platter, just like this disco diploma. It didn't come without hard work. Our teachers didn't say we were guaranteed to graduate. We had to study, show up to school, and do our homework. But we did it, so graduates, give yourself a pat on the back. We must also not be satisfied with just this high school diploma. We have to want more because we deserve more. We deserve a college education. We deserve all of our dreams and aspirations. I'm glad to say 100% of our class is attending college. Not many high schools can say that. We are future doctors, engineers, teachers, and the leaders of tomorrow. Thank you, Damien, for laying the foundation for our future success. I am proud to be a part of this graduating class. We each have the ability to make something of ourselves. So I challenge each graduate to leave your mark in history and make a difference in the world. Good luck with all your future endeavors. Just remember, whichever course in life we take, we will always be a Damien man. Work hard, play hard. Peace out, deuces, Berger Ajay,